Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be unboxing and trying on the products from the Look Fantastic July 2019 beauty box. First, let's go over the details. With the Look Fantastic subscription, you'll receive 6 products for only $16 a month. Shipping is free and you're guaranteed to receive at least $60 worth of products. If you're interested in subscribing, you can use my discount code, TaylorCherie, for 20% off. Now let's try out each of the products. First, I'm cleansing my skin with the Naobay Illuminating Micellar Water, which is $13. This is said to purify, prepare, and cleanse the skin. Second, I'm moisturizing with the Elemis hydra-balance Day Cream, which is $23. This is formulated to provide continuous hydration and is said to keep the complexion soft and supple. Third, I'm using the Aromatherapy Associates Revive Body Gel, which is $15. This is supposed to refresh the body and leave the skin soft and supple while also stimulating circulation. For the fourth product, I'm using the Vitamasques Gold Eye Pads, which is $7. These are the prettiest eye pads I've ever seen, and they're designed to plump and depuff tired under eyes. I really love eye pads because I have really puffy under eyes, so these were definitely a treat for me. After waiting 10 minutes, I'm removing them, and then, because the next product from the box is an eyeliner, I'm applying some makeup. I'm just going for a simple, everyday look for the summer, and to start, I'm priming with the Touch & Soul No Poreblem Priming Water, which helps to reduce the appearance of pores and boost hydration. I'm then applying the Buxom Divine Goddess Luminizer to add a glow from within, and blending this in with my Real Technique sponge. Next, I'm adding some Bellapierre Coral Cheek Stain using the Sigma Small Duo Fiber Brush. This will give a natural flush of color to my cheeks because of it being a cream formula. I'm then going foundationless and simply adding some concealer underneath my eyes and along the center of my face, which I'm then blending in with the Real Technique sponge. Next, I'm just setting my face with a little bit of the Hourglass Veil Translucent Powder and sweeping on some Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil Bronzer, which is really light just to give a bit of warmth to the skin. I'm also using that same Sigma F40 brush that I used to apply the bronzer and adding a bit more glow to the skin with the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter in the shade Be My Highlight. To set everything in place, I'm spritzing on some Makeup Fixing Mist by Pixi and then working on my brows, eyes, and lips before moving on to the 5th product from the Look Fantastic box. For brows, I'm using the Sigma Tint and Tame Brow Gel in Dark. I'm then curling my lashes with the Kevyn Aucoin Lash Curler and adding some Buxom Blackest Black Mascara. No false lashes for me today, so the next step is tight lining with the Sigma Beauty Longwear Eyeliner Pencil, and then finishing up with a bit of the new Buxom Full Force Lipstick in the shade Icon. Finally, we can try on the next product from the subscription box. Now, this one was one of the products that could vary, so the options were either an Eyeko Fat Eye Stick or the Fat Liquid Eyeliner. I received the liquid eyeliner, which is $22. It claims to be an easy-to-use smudge-proof felt tip liner. As y'all may know, I'm not the fondest of felt tips, so this is definitely my least favorite product in the box, but I'm going to use it to create a wing anyways. Now it's time to take all of this makeup off because the 6th and final product from the box is the Glov On The Go Hydro Cleanser, which is worth $15. This is said to effortlessly cleanse the skin with only water by utilizing microtechnology. And I love the fact that this brand is so eco-friendly, with their packaging being biodegradable and all of their products are antimicrobial as well. Overall, I definitely think this subscription box is worth it. Its total value for July is about $100, which is amazing considering it only costs $16. And don't forget that you can get 20% off with the discount code TaylorCherie. Here's a quick sneak peek at next month's box, and I've included a link in the description box below for anyone interested in subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know your favorite subscription box in the comments below. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.